lot of fun, a lot of nice insights.
It's like to be part of the family, and we're so happy about that.
I'm very happy for this because it's maybe one life, maybe one time in my life. So really happy.
You don't get bike like this to drive every day. So I'm on those days you're happy to work what I do.
I don't expect that I have so much fun with the factory at the BMW. The handling is unbelievable, it's crazy.
Absolutely best bike in my life.
Yeah, this is all you want on the track. You know, it's really precise. It's really good in balance. Nevertheless, it's got enormous power.